All right, we're going to cover adding your classes in your exams. So we're going to do the classes in the planner. So you just want to add a tab and find the planner. So all the planners are the same, so whether you go in student services or another section, it's fine. Okay, so open up the planner. Let's go to classes at the top. So it's really easy to do classes in Perfect Mind. So you just click and highlight the time that the class is. So we'll start Monday morning at 10 a.m. So all I did there was click with my left mouse button and dragged over the time. So I'll say new. All right. So here let's say we'll do an MMA class. So this is youth. And start and end time should already be in there because we clicked and highlighted. So then the class for graduates. What this is for is if you do your classes by maybe beginner, intermediate, advanced. So if this was, say, a beginner class and my ending rank was yellow, once I pass my yellow belt, it's going to take this class out and replace it with this one. So not everyone can use this feature, but if your classes are structured kind of intermediate, advanced, and so on, you can use that. So you will want to assign it to a floor. And then you need to set the style here in the bottom left. It's very important. So say it's MMA and my age group. It's going to be all my starting rank. Let's say it's white and the ending rank is green. Okay, so the style, the age group, starting and ending rank are all very important. So you do want to make sure you fill this out. Okay, so that's everything on this page. Now you want to set how often the class occurs. So the reoccurrence pattern we'll say is weekly, and maybe this class takes place every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at this time. So the start and end time should be filled in already, and the starting date will be today, and you can have it end after a certain amount of time. So maybe you have a summer schedule or something like that. I'm going to say no end date, and then you can save. So if we were to look at a monthly view, we would see this class takes place every week. So we'll go back to week, and we'll just do one more. So maybe we have a Taekwondo class running on Tuesday and Thursday. So again, I'm just going to click and highlight, add a new one. So we'll say this is TKD Youth. Assign it to a floor. So we just want to do all the same things. So the age group is going to be Youth Taekwondo, and then the starting and ending rank. Okay, so then again, up to reoccurrence, we'll say weekly, and then just every Tuesday and Thursday, and save. Alright, so you just continue that way. It's pretty straightforward. So now for your exams, you don't want to do them in the planner. You cannot use reoccurrences with exams, so you do need to kind of add them one at a time. So we're going to go into exams and student services. Hit new in the top left. So we'll say this is an MMA exam. Maybe we do it the 1st of January. From 6 p.m. to maybe 8 p.m. So it's scheduled. It's on the first floor. And the style is MMA. Okay, so go ahead and save. Now there's kind of two things you could do from here. If you have all of your styles test on the same day, so at this time in day, you also have Taekwondo test. If you want the software to schedule people in, you do need to have an exam for every style you have. So this one will only book MMA people in. So if we have an exam at exactly the same time for Taekwondo, what I would recommend doing is cloning it, which makes a copy of this. And then you can just go TKD. Down here, you can switch the style, and then you can save. So now we have the two exams on the same day at the same time for two different styles. So you just want to keep doing that. So now maybe the MMA we want to clone again and schedule one for February. Okay, so then we would just save and then maybe do the same thing for Taekwondo. So especially styles that are based on time, you really need to have exam dates out as far as your longest rank. So if one of your by time ranks is 6 months, you're going to need to have exam dates 6 months into the future for it to properly predict testing days and schedule stripe days. But then you just want to continue in that fashion.